Let's talk about one of our most powerful features, Unlockable Missions. Unlockable Missions lets you release a mission only after another one is completed, making your experience more dynamic with missions that reveal themselves as participants progress. How to set up Unlockable Missions. Open your experience in the studio and click on the Missions tab on the left-hand side. Make sure you've created a few missions already. This feature works best when you have a sequence in mind of which missions you want to unlock and when. For this example, let's say you want Mission B to unlock after Mission A is completed. Since Mission B is the one we want to release after another is completed, we'll add the release condition directly to Mission B. Click on your mission and select the Availability heading at the top of the side panel. Here is where you control when your missions release and expire. Under the release settings in the drop-down, we're going to select when another mission is completed. Next, search for and select the mission you want to be completed in order for this mission to unlock. Because we want Mission B to unlock after Mission A is completed, we're going to select Mission A. Once you have selected your settings, click Save. We can now see that the release condition we just set up is on Mission B in your mission list. But what do your participants see? In the app, your participants will only see the missions that are released when your experience begins. So in this case, they will only see Mission A to start. The activity feed will only show submissions for missions they have unlocked. Once they complete Mission A, they'll get a notification. You've unlocked Mission B. Mission B will then appear in their mission list along with other team submissions in the activity feed. Here are a few ways that you can get started using Unlockable Missions. Location-dependent missions. Complete a GPS mission to unlock a new mission or set of missions at that location. Multi-part missions. Think Part 1 and Part 2. Complete one mission and unlock a follow-up mission. Bonus missions. Release missions sporadically throughout the experience to add a bit of extra excitement. Sequential missions. Lead participants step by step, unlocking each mission in order. Choose your own adventure. Let participants shape their path by choosing which missions to complete and unlocking missions based on their choices. Unlockable Missions really does unlock so much more potential in your experiences. So give it a try and let us know how you're using Unlockable Missions. We'd love to hear from you.